Okay, hello and welcome to the pizza project presentation. I'm Krithik.
I'm Jeremy.
I'm Riley.
And I'm Sarah.
So from the options presented to us at the beginning of this project, our group decided, well, that we like pizza. So we decided to create a program for customers to order and purchase a pizza from a pizza restaurant. The reasons we chose this topic is because the online ordering is becoming more and more popular. We may need to design a similar system in the future, and designing one now is good practice. And finally, this will provide us with great practice in object-oriented programming and improved teamwork skills. The problem we needed to solve for this was a system that will allow customers to create a pizza order online and provide a way for them to create an account to allow users to log into that account at a convenient time, save their delivery information so they won't need to enter it every time they order, save time, and provide an alternative way to order a pizza. And our solution was to create create a pizza ordering system that customers can use to purchase a pizza and create an account.
And that brings us to our proposed solution. We intend to create a pizza ordering system that will allow customers to create an account, log into it later, create a custom pizza order, and pay for it, which I will elaborate on later. The customers will do this through a GUI, and the information will be processed in a C++ program. And we'll store all the account information in a SQL database. And to elaborate on the paying part, we will not charge the customer. We will only check to see if the customer's credit card information is valid. And then for the assignments that we worked on, we had Jeremy working on the transaction class and the main function for it. Krithik worked on the account class. I worked on the order class, and Sarah worked on the GUI class and created some HTML pages for our program. And then we all collaboratively worked on the SRS report and this presentation.
Our functional requirements are to allow a user to log in, order a pizza, and process a transaction. The non-functional requirements we chose are that the project will only run on localhost, user accounts can add security to our project, and the application must be easy to use. The three major functionalities of our first iteration are to have an account class to allow users to log in or make a new account on the database. We chose to have this functionality because this class adds a low level of security to our program, and it will be our required database connection. The second functionality is to have our GUI accept new account or login information and display the corresponding pages. We implemented this because it starts our application, and that GUI provides the user our first impression of our project. The last functionality was to display the pizza order options. This is the next functionality we chose because it gathers the main input the rest of the program will use, and it seemed like the next logical step.
So these are our component and deployment diagrams for our project. In our component diagram, we have the GUI class, the account class, the transaction class, and the order class. This week, we focused on the account pages and the account class, and also the order page and the place order function in the order class. For our deployment diagram, we're using AMPPS to run localhost, and that will display our HTML pages. Our HTML pages will send the user input to our C++ files, and the C++ files will work with our MySQL database. So for project risks, the first one is that we're using multiple languages that need to connect to each other. The next one is that our classes need to interact with each other on the same order. After that is that we need to connect to a database and ensure we're providing the correct information to it. Next, we need to ensure that the customer's total is being calculated correctly so that we don't lose customers. And lastly, we need to ensure we're securely working with the customer's account and credit card information. Next, so for our additional images, These are going to be some screenshots of our order and login pages running on localhost. Next. These are our references. And that should be the end. Thank you.